Guys, it's me, Organic Healer, and yeah. Pretend you didn't see that.
You're my best friend.
But yeah, it's Organic Healer back here with another video. Yeah, another video. So, my mom got her new car from Mother's Day, pretty much. Say, you the best driver, right? She's over 18, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
But I'm only driving because I'm the boss of him.
No, no. Hold on. I said no.
Just when he's 10.
No! I'm gonna get her.
Okay, I'm still
I'm
driving.
wrong. But she's gonna be driving today. Yeah. And look what she did. Look what she did. How did you turn it on? Oh yeah, I forgot. The car is off. This is what she did. She did this. She pulled it. I don't know why, but yeah, I'm gonna be closing it now. Turn it off.
I'm just for
What the heck? I turned the car off.
Don't touch anything. You understand?
She turned it on before.
You turned the car on?
Yes,
On
off
the
now.
accident. On the accident.
Yeah, say hi.
Hello. Hello, Tracy.
No, you don't.
I'm trying.
You trying? So, okay, that was weird. But yeah, I'm gonna be talking about why does the freaking thing keep showing up? But yeah, you pretty much already seen it's a purple fidget spinner, and I'm gonna be reviewing it today in probably like an hour or two. By the time this video gets up, I'm probably gonna be already doing it or uploading it. I don't know. But yeah, pretty good fidget spinner. We actually got it here, but I wasn't here when they got it. It was probably like a kind of surprise. Say hi, Kiara. Oh shoot. Sorry guys. My camera, yeah. So yeah. And I'm gonna be doing, I already talked to Karina already. She said I should be doing, since she's an ace driver, yeah. She said that we're gonna be doing, right? I talked to you about it? Yeah, I talked to her about it. And yeah, we're gonna be doing both of these today since I didn't get to review this one.
Wait, Javon. How did you do that?
Do what?
That.
Stand it up?
Yeah.
Want me to knock it down?
It's really fun,
It's like
right?
really metal, like I love it. And yeah, whoa. Don't you see that? Like when I flick it like this. And I'm not even flicking it that hard. You do a regular flip on a camera and it'll pick up like this. So yeah, I'm gonna be doing both of these, but first I might be doing the purple one. God, that hurts. So yeah, I'll be seeing you at Nathan's because I'm probably gonna be going to Nathan's across the street to eat. But yeah, peace out, peeps.
Huh? Sit down.
So hey guys, we're walking instead because my mom is taking a long time, and we're gonna walk.
Make business transaction.
I know, but it's like so long. We've been here like about an hour now. Can't go this way. So we're gonna be like going to where I said Nathan's, and we're gonna eat. So we're just gonna be walking here right now. Look, she on her fake phone.
No,
Even though it really works, but she's not. I don't.
No, but 10 minutes really works.
Yeah, it does work. No, it is real. I'm not gonna fake it.
No, but 10, it is on.
Oh, okay. apparently Karina said that it's on. Who are you talking to?
Your mom.
She's talking to my mom when she's in the office doing paperwork. Huh? Because I know.
Where's my clothes? Okay.
And yeah. Just gonna be playing with fidget spinners. Like, probably not like the whole time. They're right here actually.
Everybody want to have those?
Already.
Let's go do it.
Look how it looks on the camera. Even though it doesn't look like that in real life, it just looks like it's regularly spinning. And I'm not even like spinning it hard. You just have to do it like soft. Put it to a camera. Like any camera. And it probably will work. Up, car.
Give her a phone, please. Let her hold it. She don't act a nut. Thank you very much.
Like, it's only on that one though, right? Oh. Oh, no, it's on this one too. And when my sisters get their iPads, the older one out of the two, the 5-year-old, is getting her own YouTube channel. How awesome is that? I'm going to be helping her. You're going to be seeing me in most of her videos. So, yeah. We're in there now, and I'll see you after I finish eating. Well, I'm going to be doing, like, a video until, oh, gosh. Like, it's going to be, like, I'm going to be filming a video until it's food. Bless you, bless you, bless you, bless you.
Pretend I sneeze on that on your phone.
No, no, no. Is there any snot on my phone? Okay, leave this up. Yo, where the heck?
So hot.
I got it. Kiara, where you going?
So hi. So hi. Javon just wants to do something because
Yeah, by the way, my name is Javon, if y'all didn't know
and
this.
his name what's your last name?
No, don't, no.
And his name is what?
Yo, I'm just gonna hold the phone for now.
And his name is William too. At school I need
It's William Javon. I'm just gonna let y'all know me.
Bye.
Yo, come on. Crazy. That? Say hi, Kiara.
Hi.
No, at the camera.
Hi.
What you gonna be doing? Sing Daddy Finger. 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 Where are you? No, let's play. Pass it. Say amen. Karina. Ah. Sorry with you. Alright, come on. Pass it. Yeah.
Okay.
There you go. Pass it. Pass it. I'm gonna pull it down. Ready? We're gonna play pass it. Say amen. Don't hit the table with it. Say amen.
I'm serious.
She's trying to tickle my neck when she does that. What do we do? Whoa, and then they do
I'm
tickle.
spinning.
Stop. Stop spinning, Karina. No, don't press that.
Then stop.
That means
Okay.
look at this. She didn't look at this. Got all of y'all looking at the comments. I got all of y'all. I got all of the viewers. I got all of y'all. Y'all
You
tight.
looked at it.
Yeah, they looked at it. Look, they tight. And yeah. You gonna leave me? I'm going with them. I'm gonna be online with them. I don't care. But we're Nathan's. Nathan's.
Look, now
You
know
ordered?
which table.
How many hot dogs? 6 hot dogs? Okay, so I'm just gonna. Are you go back? Oh, you go this way. Sorry. Look what she did. She tried to trick me into walking all the way over here, but I knew she wasn't. Look, traitor. But yeah, dang, this video's long. Sheesh. Well, this is gonna be my longest video now. So yeah, I'll see you when you're comfortable, you know. She's flying like a kite. It's a plane. It's a bird. No, it's Superwoman. No, Superina. Okay, so yeah, oh my gosh, I hate this. By the way, I'm just using the statue thingy. But yeah, what was I gonna say? I lost my train of thought, sorry. But I'm gonna be seeing you after I finish eating. Okay. Actually, alright, we're gonna end it here. I'm sorry if you like enjoying the video, but like I want to end it here because like I just want to get like all the process like going, because I gotta do 2 more videos after this when I get home. So yeah, peace out. 4 videos today, so I'm pretty like scheduled. So peace out, people.